Good morning, students. First thing I want to walk everybody through, because we had some difficulties yesterday, is how to get the Springboard digital again. So you're going to use this guide right here, which I will have the link posted, a student guide to navigating Springboard Digital. And then if you click on this should then send you through Clever and in the Springboard, and your page should look pretty much like this. And what we want to get to today is writing workshop. So you're going to go to the drop down menu, and you're going to click on the fifth link down. And once you get there, you're going to click View the ebook. And for the ebook, you are going into the first activity. It says Narrative Nonfiction Reflective Essay Activity 1. What you're going to do today is you want to read 2 times. You want to read where it said Narrative Nonfiction Reflective Essay. You want to answer the first question, considering personal narratives. You want to read over the responses. You want to read over number 2 and the 3 elements that are included in a reflective essay. Study those. Be mindful that this is also part of your college essay process that Ms. Mingo will introduce, where there are some major similarities. Then what you are going to do is you are going to read the following reflective essay on seeing England for the first time, which is 4 paragraphs long. And then you are going to follow and answer questions working from the text, and you're going to answer questions 4 and 8, and follow the check your understanding question, which is its Schoology. That would be what you are working on today. Thank you.